Hey guys, I'm getting ready for a client dinner in Los Angeles, which this view, are you kidding? I wish I had this view every day. Anyway, my little makeup wipe. I need to take the mascara off from last night and then I'm gonna actually wash my face. This deodorant, 10 out of 10 on the deodorant, worth every penny. We're using this Skin Fix Barrier Repair as our face wash because my skin has been super dry lately. The sun is in a weird spot in this house right now, but I'm trying to show you how my skin looks before makeup, okay? Look at that. Like, hello? Do y'all see this skin? So I've been really lazy lately when it came to doing makeup. The last time I wore makeup, I think, was when I was in New York until yesterday. So it's been like a month. And again, this view. I wish I had this view every day. Are you kidding? All right, let's get into it. I like this primer a lot. This is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt. I like to start my contour off with this. Then I'm gonna use my actual contour. This is by LYS Beauty. I just put it right up there. So personally, I like underpainting because like yesterday, for example, I messed up my contour and I was able to cover it up and it looked normal at the end. So I'm a huge fan of underpainting. All right, I'm using my Hourglass concealer again today. This is the shade Flax. Be generous where I apply this because I want a bright under eye. While I let that sit, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Usually I do my eyebrows first, but I just forgot, so. Last night I did coral blush, but this time I'm gonna do pink. This is She's a Doll from Patrick Ta. And I'm just going to, before I blend my concealer, so the blush looks better at the end. Okay, contour. Now blend, blend, blend. Ugh, I wish the sun wasn't in such a weird spot. It's getting on my nerves. Charlotte Tilbury spray. Let me move my hair out of the way. Well, it's broken, so. Damn it. Yes, I was about to say, do y'all see how much is left of this for that to be broken? I don't think so. All right, it's fixed. Thank God. Now we're taking our Pat McGrath under eye pink powder. I'm going to set where our concealer was under our eyes. Shocker. Setting our blush, this Makeup by Mario blush. This is the shade Wildberry. Now we use the One Size spray. We have to hold our breath for this because if you know, you know. Ooh. So I have not been feeling like wearing lashes lately, so I've been using the Haus Labs mascara. All right, now we're doing our lip combo. This is Makeup by Mario. This is the shade Jeff. And I outline my lips with it. This is also Makeup by Mario. This is his Super Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Bear. This lip combo lately. It's like smells like vanilla. Last but not least, our perfume for the night. This is Givenchy La Interdit. Smells so good. It's one of my favorite nighttime perfumes. And this is our final makeup look. I'll go upstairs to get my outfit and yeah, we're out of here.